Hey guys, thanks for dropping by. Let's talk about this NOCO Boost HD. This is the popular GB70 jump starter. It works for both gas and diesel vehicles. Let's unbox this so I can show you what's included with the purchase. This is the GB70. This thick booklet here, it contains the precaution information for the product. To read the manual, you would need to go to the website and download it. Included are the USB and XGC charging cables. To store the accessories and the jump starter, it comes with this nice carrying case. You also get the XGC male and female connectors. Now that we got the unboxing out of the way, let's take a closer look at the GP70 itself. It's a 2000 amp UltraSafe jump starter. There's also a built-in emergency flashlight. It has 7 different light modes, including an SOS and strobe mode. The light is bright at 400 lumens. The GB70 is powered by a 12-volt lithium battery, which allows us to jump start 40 times on a single charge. Let's demonstrate a typical jump start. The first thing you want to do is pop your hood. This product is made for the average user. There's built-in circuitry that protects you and your vehicle when you're using the jump starter. It's engineered with reverse polarity and spark-proof technology that automatically activates when you connect this to a battery. You don't have to worry about sparks or connecting it incorrectly. The first thing you want to do is connect the red wire to the positive lead, then connect the black wires to the negative lead. I really like the clamps because they're heavy duty and they won't slip off. The red and black wires are also thicker and have a higher gauge. When you're disconnecting the unit, do the reverse. Remove the black clamp, then the red. When you first hook up the unit, you can see these chasing lights. That just shows you the power level of the jumper. The next thing you want to do is check this LED here. If it's white, then that means you got the wiring correct. If it's red, then that means you have it reversed. In my demonstration, you notice it's white, which means it's hooked up correctly and ready to go. Once it's connected, then the next step is to turn on the car's engine. For my car, it started up right away. I like the GP70 a lot. It has a rugged IP65 housing with rubberized molding, which protects it from dust, impacts, and moisture. It's also a portable battery bank, allowing you to quickly charge your phone and other USB devices. You can use this on ATV, motorcycles, passenger cars and RVs, tractors and vans, as well as watercrafts. It also saves you a lot of time and money, especially if you're stranded in the middle of nowhere with a dead battery.